Exploring the burgeoning world of new construction townhomes in Chattanooga, a market that perfectly aligns with the desires and concerns of aspiring homeowners seeking a harmonious balance between work and home life. Benefits of new construction townhomes. Low maintenance living for the busy professional. Townhomes in Chattanooga offer the warmth and personal space of a traditional home coupled with the convenience of low maintenance. Customization and comfort. Many new construction townhomes come with the option for customization. Community amenities at your doorstep. Imagine having access to pools, tennis courts, playgrounds, and even dog parks within your community. Chattanooga's townhome communities are not just about the homes themselves, but the vibrant lifestyle they offer. These amenities provide a perfect backdrop for gathering with friends and engaging in an active lifestyle. Smart investing, building equity in Chattanooga. The financial wisdom of townhome ownership. Transitioning from renting to owning a townhome is a financially astute move, especially in a stable market like Chattanooga. Homebuyers recognize the folly in paying rent that offers no return. Investing in a townhome means building equity, benefiting from property value appreciation, and potentially enjoying higher returns on investment due to Chattanooga's desirable location and growing demand. A market poised for growth. With projections indicating a strong market in the coming years, Chattanooga represents an ideal location for buyers looking to make a smart investment. There is a wide array of townhome options throughout Hamilton County, with numerous communities currently being developed. Here are a few notable ones to consider. Addison Place, located in the heart of East Brainerd, features a variety of floor plans to suit different preferences. Barnsley Park in Ottawa is in the midst of construction, with the option for pre-sale available. Arbor Hills in Cleveland not only offers townhomes with spacious walk-in showers in the master bathrooms, but also plans to include a common area and an in-ground pool, enhancing the community experience. Black Creek Villas, situated just off Cummings Road in the Black Creek community, is known for its top-notch golf course and swimming pool. The villas present a mix of townhomes and single-family homes. Borough 33, a new development, is taking shape in the South Broad community. Are you nervous about buying your first home? Don't worry, you're not alone in your concerns about financial strain, lifestyle fit, and the buying process. Many first-time buyers, as well as second- and third-time buyers, share these feelings. Equip yourself with support and knowledge by assembling a professional team. The journey to homeownership is one best taken with trusted professionals. From knowledgeable real estate agents to financial planners, having the right team ensures that all the buyer's needs and concerns are addressed, making the transition to townhome living smooth and worry-free. As the Chattanooga market continues to thrive, now is the perfect time for buyers to take the leap and embrace the townhome living experience, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of one of Tennessee's most beloved cities.